Hi ladies, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my simple, basic wash day routine. Now my hair has been straight for about 4 weeks, so it's definitely time to wash it. It's super dirty. So I'm going to first go in with my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. And this has been one of my staples for many years. And I basically have my hair divided into 2 sections, and I'm just going to go through each section and basically shampoo each section twice to really get in there and remove all the product buildup from those 4 weeks. And as you can see, my hair has reverted back, which means still very healthy. And I'm just basically doing the exact same thing on the other side, just wetting my hair first and then going in with my shampoo. And on this side, I'm using my massage brush, which I got from Amazon. I love this massage brush. It feels so good, and it just gets out all of the dandruff and all of the buildup. I would highly recommend this, and not sponsored, bought this with my own money, but I love that massage brush. So once the shampoo is rinsed out, I'm going to go in with my Aphogee 2-minute Reconstructor just to add, the protein back in. I've been heat styling often, so I'm making sure that my hair stays healthy. I am low porosity and protein sensitive, so it just works really well with my hair. And I always do this step the wash day after I heat style. It just really helps my hair to keep thriving, and I love it. And once I got all the product into my hair, I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb and just basically distribute the product throughout my hair for each section. And my hair was super easy to detangle this wash day because the night before I did do my hot oil treatment, so that really helps with just the detangling process. My hair was so easy to detangle. But if you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and link it above and in the description box below. It really helps with my hair. My hair is just, do you see how the comb is just really, going through very easily. So I basically left that in for a few minutes, maybe about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I rinsed it out of my hair. So my next step, I'm going to go in with the Shea Moisture MANUKA Honey and MAFURA Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. This is a super staple of mine. I've been using this since I've been relaxed, and my hair just loves this deep conditioning mask. And I'm basically just doing the same process as I did with the Aphogee 2-minute Reconstructor, putting the mask throughout each section of my hair, distributing it with my wide tooth comb, and just basically repeating that same process. As you can see, very self-explanatory. My hair is now in 4 sections because if I do not section out my hair, guess what? It's gonna just retangle back up, and don't nobody got time for that. So yeah, let's like get through this process because we know it takes forever. So my hair bounced back very, very nicely. And if you guys want to see any other wash day routines or want me to try out any other products, definitely leave me a comment down below. So I did go ahead and leave that on my hair for about 15 minutes. And right here, I'm just basically taking down each section, and I'm just gonna rinse this underneath my shower head just to get the product out of my hair. And my hair is looking really, really good. It's just gliding through very, very easily, no tangles. And I'm just doing the exact same thing on the other side. Just making sure to get all of the product out of my hair. And yeah, this is a process. This probably took over an hour to do, plus trying to film everything. Ugh, the struggle. But you know, we made it through, and you know, came out pretty good. Hair's looking good. And yeah, this is pretty much my wash day routine, everyone. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you're definitely subscribed to the channel and turn on those notifications so that you never miss one of my uploads. And yeah, definitely get the video a thumbs up if you liked the video and want to see more videos like this. And here we go. This is my hair. Hey, yeah, looking good. Curls popping. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.